Hi guys, how's everyone doing? Hope everyone is doing good, guys. Hope everyone is doing good. My name is Noma Moyo. If you're new and just meeting me for the first time, and for those who are returning to my channel, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for coming back to the channel. Please, if you are new, do subscribe to my channel. I've only got 5 people left to make it 100 people on my channel, so it will really be great. Please don't just watch and not subscribe. Please do subscribe. That will make me very happy. Anyway, tonight is another cooking day. So tonight I'm doing a chicken African way. It's a free range chicken. That's what they call it here, but where I come from we call them road runners. So it's a road runner. So this is a full chicken. If I can bring it for you to see here. So that's a full chicken. It's a free range chicken, but we call them road runners. So these are the road runners are chickens which can run around, roam around. That's why they are called road runners in my country where I come from. They have more flavor because of they haven't been genetically modified or anything. They just eat like grass and eat natural things, so they have more flavor. So I'm gonna be making this chicken, doing it my grandmother's way. Anyway, I'll tell you a bit about myself. So I'm somebody who was brought up by my grandmother. My mom died when I was a baby, so pretty much all the cooking which I learned in my earlier years, I learned it through my grandma, and she used to be a very, very good cook. So I'll try and reproduce the dish the way she taught us when I was young. So keep tuned, guys, keep watching, enjoy the video. Hopefully you have a good time watching. let me quickly show you the ingredients. So this is my chopped up chicken, which I've already done. Those are my potatoes, my spring onion. There I've got my peppers, red, yellow and green pepper. And here I've got my red onion. And these are gonna be my ingredients for tonight. The spices, so I've got the salt there. There's the salt. And next to it, I've got the chicken spice, garlic, turmeric, because turmeric adds color. And then I've got my Raja hot curry powder. So all these are the ingredients which I'm gonna be using tonight to make my chicken African style. So that's it, guys. So keep watching, keep tuned and enjoy the video. Okay guys, it's been 45 minutes. Let's see what our dish is looking like now. Just open up and have a look. It's hot. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So, as you can see, the meat is now separating from the bone, which means it's well cooked. So, I can now add the last part of the ingredient. Sorry guys. Last part of the ingredient, which is the spring onion. Spring onion is the last component. So I'll put it on because you don't want to overcook the spring onion. Because if you overcook the spring onion, the flavor will go and it will be overcooked. So you want your spring onion to remain looking make it still look a bit nice. So that's the last component of my dish, and the last part which you need to add on. So look at that. So the potatoes have made it nice and thick and should be ready to serve, guys. Oh, the aroma which is coming from this pot smells amazing. So it's all ready to serve. Just give it 2 minutes and that's it. It's all done, ready to serve. Serving mine with rice. That's my complete dish, guys. That's it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.